Hi, good evening. So this is about the autoimmune disease that my wife has got detected like 6 months back, and this is called as Shograine syndrome, which basically is a type of an autoimmune disease. Like there are lots of autoimmune diseases. So in this, initially, what happened was that she all of a sudden got the joint pains all over her body. So we we thought that we should go for a proper treatment for this, and we started with the allopathic treatment, and we actually found out that this is one of the similar kind of autoimmune disease, which is like the arthritis. So initially we started with the medications from allopathic, but later on we found out that this particular disease is like you know a disease which has to be managed lifelong, just like the other diseases. If you have a blood pressure or sugar or something, where you have to take the medications all over your life, and that is how we got to know about this particular disease also, that we have to manage it all through our life. So then we thought, what is the other alternative where we could actually cure this particular disease with some other alternative medicines? And that is where we found out that with the help of the Ayurvedic treatment as well as the acupuncture or acupressure, this can be completely cured over say 3 months or 6 months, depending on the severity of this disease. And that is where we got to know about this treatment, and we came and saw what kind of therapies are involved in this acupuncture, and we saw that there is a drastic difference in what we were doing at the time when we were taking the the allopathic medicines, and then we slowly and gradually shifted to this treatment, and we see that she has actually got a lot of relief from this treatment. From past 3 months we have been doing it continuously. This is every day's treatment, and it has definitely given her a lot of relief as compared to what we were getting with the allopathic. Because with allopathic treatment it was like, even if you don't take or if you miss one particular dose of allopathic treatment, it's like you suddenly start getting the pain in any of the joints, and which is what we wanted to eliminate. And hence we saw that this is the only way that we could cure this disease, because we do not have to go through the lifelong pains, and that is why we want the permanent care. And I think this particular treatment of acupressure and the in addition to the Ayurvedic medicines, of course I see that there is a light at the end of this tunnel. I must say that yes, this will definitely going to cure this medicine. So we have the faith, because we have already seen the results in past 3 months, and that is where we want to communicate that yes, this is helping us and will definitely cure this.
Specifically, what kind of benefit did you notice?
So as I was saying that earlier, even if one dose was missed, so she used to start getting the pain in any of the joints, but this is not the case with this. I think right now we have almost stopped all the allopathic medicines and only taking this treatment. So right now it is not a situation that one day if I miss this treatment, then of course I'll or she will start getting the pain. It's not like that. At least we can see that those kind of improvements are there, where the severity of that pain or the kind of symptoms that we had she had earlier, those are completely dropped down.
I think it has got something to do with the facial muscles and all, or taste.
So in this Shograine syndrome, what happens is that there are specific glands in your body which gets affected, like your eyes get dry, your throat get dry. So it is related to your dry eye and dry mouth. So for that we also got it tested with the salivary test and the dry eye test.